Max. And I think these last two are actually my favorite, and they are the most expensive. And I think this is one of those things where you pay for what you get. I actually got this at Sephora when they had it on sale for $11, and this is actually one of my favorites. Hi beauty queen and beauty king, I hope you're doing wonderful today, and I want to say welcome back to my channel. And as always, you should know by now that we talk about what is on the thumbnail, and today we're doing another video on lip care, lip tools that I've been using. Again, I have a series of this already. I think I've done about 2 videos prior, so if you just type in lip products and lip balms or lip care, it should come up. Whether it's here or on my blog, it should come up. Again, products listed down below have links of things that I recommend only. If you don't see the link, it means I don't like it, or it's only available in stores, so you have to watch the video to see what's going on with that. And again, do bring a family or friend in need. I promise you guys they will be very much happy to learn about my opinions on anything that I present here, specifically as it relates to beauty, lifestyle, and finance. All my links are down below. I always welcome feedback. We can agree to disagree agreeably. I don't mind. And if you do shop anything that I recommend, you guys know I love finance, hindsight. I have my shop where I sell things. All the links are down below. Check it on my blog. And there's a lot that I sell related to finance. I've been trying to really dive into finance and make finance related content, and I'm preparing that. I think I just need to get out of my comfort zone and get more comfortable, and I should be starting that soon. I do have one video as in regards to finance already. It's an older one, but you know, and like I said, if you do shop, things that I recommend, always use cash or debit, because we're all about financial freedom. And yeah, that's about it. Do not use credit cards, guys. Use cash, because cash is king. So I rambled a lot, so let's get started. Hindsight, this scarf right here, I am into the cheetah leopard vibe, and I do sell this on my shop as well if you want to buy it, along with other great products. So do check out my shop. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this lip scrub tool. This is from Ulta. Again, buy 2 get 1 free. You can use coupons. Sonia Kashuk has it. Everyone has it. Amazon has it. It's so readily available now that it's so popular. You don't need it, but it's just like a fancy, you know, thing that I like to do. It's the aesthetics. That's all it is for me. It doesn't really do much. Okay, you can just use your finger or a little bit of a body scrub glove or something like that, and just, you know, scrub your lips. But I just think it's cute to have. Okay, and it has 2 textures right there, and I just put the cap on it because I don't want it to get dirty. Okay, so that's just like a toothbrush cover. Next thing I have is good old Vaseline creme brulee flavor, and this is the lip therapy one that came out a while back, and I finally got it because I saw a video talking about it and saying they were good. It is regular Vaseline, but I guess they made it for lips, so it's really good. Actually, I feel like if you put this on once, you're good for like a good 8 hours, like legitimately, like that's how good it is. And this creme brulee smells so good, tastes so good. It actually really lasts a long time, and it gives you a little bit of a gloss. So if you were looking for this, I definitely say get it. And I got mine at CVS, obviously, because you guys know I use discounts, coupons, sales and promotions and things like that, and rewards and store manufacturer coupons. So there you go. I think this is definitely worth trying. Next thing I want to talk about is good old chapstick. I actually have 2. This is a set. It came with a scrub. I used it up and I actually tossed it by accident because I forgot I was doing a video. And this is the vanilla cream flavor for the chapstick. This chapstick is so good, guys. And it does smell like vanilla, and I've used this. This is really good. Again, it's one of those things where you put it on, it lasts you like the whole day, pretty much like a whole working day. And like I said, if you don't really rub your lips off, it's definitely moisturizing, but it doesn't have a gloss, so your lips won't look juicy and scrumptious like with the Vaseline, but it's definitely hydrating. So if you're trying to stay crusty free on your lips for the winter 2020, I think this is also one thing you should try. So there you go. And the scrub, I'm gonna answer on screen what it looked like. I didn't like the scrub at all. I feel like it was really like greasy, messy. It had no like scrubs in it. It had no particles that can actually exfoliate. I feel like it was almost like you're putting like Vaseline on your lips to scrub it, and that defeats the purpose, right? So I will stay away from the scrub, hindsight quote-unquote scrub from this package, but I would definitely buy this alone if you can find it. I think it's definitely worth trying. Next one is just good old chapstick. I got this from Walmart. Actually, the other one I got it from CVS. This set I got it from CVS, but you can get it anywhere else. This again everywhere, but I got mine from Walmart. And this is the cherry, and this is just the good old, I actually don't like cherry, but it smells good. But yeah, this is very moisturizing as well. Again, for a good working day, 2020, we want to be crusty free. We don't want peeling lips, crackly lips, and things like that. This is actually really good, but this does not give you a shine or a gloss, so there you go with that. But it's definitely good. I think chapsticks is just like, I have one of these in all my purses. I mean, seriously, like, I mean, I have so many different balms because I put one everywhere and I use them a lot because I wear lipstick. So definitely try it out. You would like it. Okay, I don't know if this is new from Revlon, but it's called the Revlon Kiss Balm, and you guys know that Revlon has so many coupons at CVS, things that are pretty much free, so I always try their things. And this is the Revlon Kiss Long Lasting Balm, and I have tropical coconut. I just got a notification that it's time to go exercise. Anyways, this has SPF 20, and I actually really like it. I didn't think I was. Oh god, it's so good. And this one has a little bit of a gloss to it, which is why I like it as well. And it smells so good. That tropical coconut is amazing. It's glossy, it lasts really long, gives you a little bit of a gloss, it shines, so it's really good, guys. You definitely should try it. This is like a hidden gem from the drugstore that I discovered that I'm like, and they have different flavors as well. They have a couple of more options, so definitely try the Revlon Kiss Balm, and they're amazing, and they have SPF 20 on them. Okay, now I'm going into the lip scrubs, which are my favorite. Again, you can always make them at home by yourself. I just like to buy it because you guys know I review products and they're so affordable, and with coupons and things like that, I don't mind supporting especially small businesses. But you can usually put just like brown sugar and some type of oil, then add an essential oil just to make it last long, and so that like bacteria doesn't grow. But it's easy to make, or you can just Google it and you will find recipes. But yeah, this is the Ecolips brown sugar lip scrub. That's the packaging, kind of. Okay, and I got it from Walmart. It was like $3.99 or $2.99, and I use it all up. And I think brown sugar is my favorite texture for exfoliating my lips, because I feel like you get enough particles or scrubs or granules to really exfoliate and remove the dead skin. I feel like brown sugar is the best. I really like this one, so I would recommend it if you wanted to try it. And I think they have different options as well. No, I have to mention TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because they do sell beauty and makeup products and tools. And I just found this random brand, and I think is IZME New York, and this was $2.99. I'm almost done with it. I just started it like 2 weeks ago. This one is okay. It's brown sugar, but it's not as good as the Ecolips one. This one is more exfoliating than this one is more of a moisturizer, but it does have enough particles to feel like to experience some exfoliation, but not too much. So there you go. It's kind of like mid-ground. So there you go. You can always look at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. They have different brands there, and it's very, very cheap, so you can try things like that so you can try products like this as well at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. And I think these last two are actually my favorite, and they are the most expensive. And I think this is one of those things where you pay for what you get. I actually got this at Sephora when they had it on sale for $11, and this is actually one of my favorites, actually, because you actually feel that exfoliation. It's amazing. And you guys know Too Faced packaging is so gorgeous. It's the Too Faced peach lip scrub, and you guys know they're just so good with packaging. And at $11, I was like, I don't mind supporting the brand. And you guys see I've used it already. It's really, really good. It does exfoliate, not too much granules, but you know, enough for me to feel like I'm getting some exfoliation. It's not too bad. And I actually really like this one by Beauty Bakerie, and this flavor is strawberry, and they actually have different ones. Again, this was on sale at Ulta, and you guys know I'm always looking for deals, and I went and grabbed it when it was on sale. And this is actually really good, and it smells so good. And you guys, it doesn't look like it has enough particles, but it does. And when you apply, you actually really feel it exfoliating. Like you feel the particles, the scrubs, it's like, oh, it's so good. These two, I think, out of all of the scrubs that I presented today, these are the best. If you want to try, just wait for them to be on sale. Wait for them to be on sale, guys. Don't rush. Okay, it's not a race and things like that. And you can always keep the packaging just to put in your different products in there, or make your own scrub and just, you know, recycle and reuse, because they're really cute packaging. So, and yeah, so that's the Beauty Bakerie packaging right there. You guys know it's so cute, and so is Too Faced. And yes y'all, thank you so much for watching. That is it for this video. Let me know if you have any feedback. I love to see you, and don't forget to check out my blog, as well as any video that YouTube will recommend to you right about now, I think. And you have one here, one here, one here, one here, wherever it is, they're all around me right now. And you know, and that is it y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And right about now, I think YouTube will start recommending about 4 videos, one here, one here, one there, and one there. Please do stay tuned to watch. If you don't have time to do so right now, please do come back later, and I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, give me feedback on these products presented, as well as any other. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay blessed. God bless you, and stay blessed as well. Mwah. Ciao guys, bye bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.